In this video we are going to take a look at the Lava 20 system from Owl Waterproofing Solutions being applied to this old aged asphalt roof. As you can see here, there is lots of cracks and signs of aging. Here is a look at the roof before, and here is a look at it after the Lava 20 liquid rubber system was installed, basically giving you a brand new roof with a 25-year warranty. Seamless, flexible, durable. The Lava 20 system has many benefits, including the fast and easy application of the system over virtually any surface. It is also extremely easy to do detail work in corners or around awkward areas like pipes or outlets, etc. The system is very tough and extremely durable, so can take impacts from foot traffic, etc. The system is very versatile and can be applied to almost every surface and has superb adhesion. This system is extremely flexible and remains elastic in all temperatures, so it will expand and contract throughout the years. The system is also waterproof and breathable. There is an optional anti-slip finish, and the system comes with a long-lasting 25-year warranty, and it also has BBA and CE certification. As mentioned, the Lava 20 system can be applied on almost every surface once it is structurally sound. Surfaces include bitumen, asphalt and felt or built-up roof, BUR, timber, OSB and WPB plywood, concrete and cementitious surfaces, all metals including lead, steel and zinc, etc. Single ply surfaces including PVC, TPO and EPDM, GRP and fiberglass, asbestos, insulation boards and spray foam, most existing coatings and more. To start the process, step 1, thoroughly clean the surface with brooms and a power washer, and allow the surface to fully dry before applying the Lava 20 system. Step 2 is to fill any holes or joints or voids, etc. with the Owl PU mask. Step 3 is to prime the entire surface with the Owl Quick Primer or Super Quick Primer. Step 4 is waterproofing and reinforcing. Lava 20 followed by matting, followed by more Lava 20 on the main areas, and for pipes, outlets and transitions or awkward details like corners, internal or external corners, you can use Lava Detail 20. To waterproof the deck with the Lava 20, first apply a liberal layer of Lava 20 and spread it by brush or roller or squeegee. Then embed the chop strand matting across and into the Lava 20. Pull on the matting to take out any creases, and then apply another layer of Lava 20 over it to complete the system. For speed, as you can see here, a wheelie bin is being used to apply and lay the Lava 20 in a uniform manner. Squeegees, rollers and brushes are also being used in combination for a faster application. As you can see, the Lava 20 is being spread across the roof by squeegee. The chop strand matting is then applied and embedded into the Lava 20. Before another layer of Lava 20 is applied on top. So Lava 20, matting, followed by more Lava 20. Using brushes and rollers to push down any air and make sure the Lava 20 is fully embedded in the system, and the matting is all one monolithic unit. This build-up, once applied, would be 3 mm thick, durable, impact resistant, long lasting and very waterproof. Repeat the process of clean and dry, primer, lava 20, followed by matting, followed by more lava 20 over the entire surface to complete the job. As you can see now, the roof is complete. Totally covered with the Lava 20 system. It is waterproof, durable, impact resistant, and will last for decades. The Lava 20 system has BBA and CE certification. The Lava 20 system has some optional top coat. You can apply the dark grey top coat, or you can use the clear top coat in combination with quartz to create an anti-slip surface using any coloured quartz. Grey and yellow are both popular colours. Again, here is the finished job, which looks amazing. This is the equivalent of a brand new roof, saving thousands in re-roofing costs and shutting down the business premises. For more information, contact us today on the details below, or visit our website owlwaterproofing.co.uk, or you can catch us on social media links, Facebook or Instagram.